Today I received the Be Quiet Pure Rock 3 LX CPU cooler, and in this guide I will walk you through the installation process step by step. I will be installing the cooler on a board with an Intel 1851 socket, because I currently don't have AM4 or AM5 motherboard, but the procedure is similar, only the adapter for the motherboard is different. When the mounting brackets are installed on motherboard, be sure to remove the plastic protection from the bottom of the cooler and we can put the cooler on the processor. Tighten the mounting screws evenly on both sides to ensure uniform pressure across the CPU. Finally, attach the fan to the cooler and connect its 4-pin cable to the CPU_fan header and the ARGB cable to a compatible 5V motherboard header for seamless control. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.